Hello guys, welcome back to Mac Society. Today I'm going to show you how to run Java on VS Code in Mac by installing just two simple extensions on VS Code. First things first, we will check if Java is installed or not. To do that, go to this search button and click on it. It will open up the Spotlight search for you. Now on the Spotlight search, write terminal and then press enter. It will open up the terminal for you. Now on the terminal, you need to write a command to check it. Write java space ---- version and then press enter. Now, if Java is already installed on your Mac machine, it will show you the Java version and date when it is installed. If it doesn't show you the Java version, then you need to install the Java on your Mac machine. I already made a tutorial on that. You can find the link in the description below, or you can go to this above card and after installing Java, come back to this video. Now as we know that the Java is installed on this Mac operating system which I am working on, we need to install two simple extensions on Visual Studio Code now. So in order to do that, once again, we need to go back to this search button above and then click on it. It will open up the Spotlight search for us. On the Spotlight search, we need to write Visual Studio Code and then press enter. Or you can click on this Visual Studio Code. It will open up the Visual Studio Code for us. Now we need to install two extensions. Remember, you need to have proper internet connection to install them on Visual Studio Code. To install the extensions, go to the left side and see this extensions button here and then click on it. It will open up the search extension bar for us. Now we need to search for Debugger for Java. To do that, write Debugger for Java on the search bar. It will show the Debugger for Java, a lightweight debugger for Java for Visual Studio Code by Microsoft. Click on it and you will see the installation button. Click on install. Now scroll down a little bit and you see requirements here. First one is a Java JDK version which we have already installed on our Mac. The second one is the Visual Studio Code which we're already using. And the third one is a language support for Java by Red Hat which we need to install next. Now to do that, once again go back to the extension search bar and clear this up and write language support for Java by Red Hat. You will see this first extension here named language support for Java which is made by Red Hat. You will see this install button, click on it and it will install the language support for Java on your Visual Studio Code. It's all done now. Now let's write a Java program to test newly installed extensions. Close this extension and go to File and click on New File. Let's first save this file. So once again, go to the File and then click on Save As and it will ask where to save this file. Let's first rewrite the name and make sure you add .java as an extension at the end of your file name and then choose where to save the Java program. I'm saving this on my desktop. Now let us write some Java code. Now, as the code has been completed by us, we will save this code. Once again, go to File and click on Save. Now to run this program, go to the Run and click on Start Debugging. It will open up the terminal on your Visual Studio Code and here you can see the output of the Java program. Yes, right here. You can also run this code by clicking on the Run button on the left side and then click on Run and Debug button. Here you can see the output of the Java program here. Subscribe to Mac Society. Thank you for watching guys. If you have any issues, let us know in the comment sections below. If this video helps you, hit the like button and subscribe to be sure that you will not miss any updates